Hi everyone, I'm going to do my first real upgrade to the laser today. I am not using the included diaphragm pump. I don't like the way it pulses, it doesn't give a particularly nice cut. So I am using our shop air. We have a fairly decent sized compressor on a 200 litre tank, and I've got a regulator on the wall here which is supplying just the laser. So I get the power really dialed in of the airflow, and I'm going to put a solenoid on because these controllers do support air output on or off. So on an engrave, you don't use air assist because otherwise you just blow the debris back down into the engrave, especially on materials like acrylic. It can really ruin the effect. And this laser didn't come with a solenoid on the controller. So they come with a diaphragm pump. Diaphragm pump's not really gonna like having restricted airflow. So I'm going to go ahead and put one in. It's gonna be pretty easy. We have inside this cabinet an air line coming in. Because this goes up to the drag chain, it comes through the electronics area of the enclosure, and that's going to make life really easy because I should just be able to drop that straight in on the air line there. There's really not much we need to make this upgrade happen. We've got our 24 volt solenoid, which I bought on Amazon. So I've got a couple of 1/4" BSP connectors, which are a 6mm push to fit. This should have a diode on it already, so it'll protect the controller. All you need then is a little bit of 2-core wire and a screwdriver. But I'm going to do this properly, so I've also got my ferrule crimper and my ferrule crimping set. So to get started, I'll just undo the solenoid. And we've got a little set of terminals in here. So we're going to stick the wires in there. I have no idea which way around is going to be the correct way because the LED will light one way but not the other. I'm going to guess, since this has got LED plus on that end, that they're going to run the trace straight up to this one. This is going to be my plus, this is going to be my minus. Polarity doesn't matter on a solenoid coil, really it's going to fire either way. So if you screw it up, it's just the LED won't come on. Now we have that wired up to the solenoid, we have to bring our wire and bring it up to here. So we're going to connect the black wire, which is going to be our ground, to connector 2, wind, which is pin 5. Wind being the wind output for the head, very Chinese way of using air assist. And we're going to put pin 6 up to 24 volt, because it's a 24 volt solenoid. Solenoid is now mounted on the airline, and we're going to get this mounted over here with some 3M very high bond strength tape. This stuff is amazing. And that will give me a nice secure mounting of my solenoid. I have a small job to test this out. We've got 4 circles, but it's going to cut, engrave, cut, engrave. Hopefully we'll have air assist on the cuts and no air assist on the engraves. Let's see how it goes. No air assist there. Definitely air assist there. Perfect. Looks like solenoid's working really well. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like. If you'd like to see more of this, please subscribe. Thanks very much. Leave any comments below.